everybody, welcome back to Electric Tornado Severe Weather Forecasts. Today we're going to be going over our severe weather outlook for the next few days. Today it's July 31st, so let's start with our day 1 outlook for today, July 31st, on the severe weather look for today. So first, let's start with our first slight risk over here. It includes Eastern Wyoming, It includes Worland, Buffalo, Sheridan, Gillette, Wright, Casper, Torrington, Shane, Fort Collins, Boulder, and Denver into Colorado, where some severe weather will be a possibility. Main concern will be scattered severe thunderstorms, as some severe thunderstorms will likely develop in this afternoon or evening. And possibly cause damaging winds. Low chance for tornadoes, but the main concern will be winds. We do have a 15% wind risk over here, where some winds up to 55 to 70 miles per hour will be a possibility. If you live in any of those places, I also recommend parking your car in a garage so they don't get damaged by hail. Some hail will also be a possibility over there. And then we do got a marginal risk going around the slight risk, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. Marginal risk is the green, which goes back into Idaho, and southern and western Montana, including Great Falls and Helena and Boise, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. Again, no tornadoes are expected. And then we do get another marginal risk down here for Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and northeastern Texas, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. Low chance for tornadoes, very low. There's a chance for strong winds and severe thunderstorms, but a low risk for hail as well. Over there is kind of where the extreme heat is, so I also recommend stay hydrated. Some of these storms right here that are forming a little bit of looking line things could potentially cause severe weather. Let's look at our third risk for today. As we have another slight risk also expanding from northern Virginia into southeastern Pennsylvania through Maryland into Delaware into New Jersey, including the big cities of Washington, Baltimore, and Philadelphia, where some severe weather will be a possibility. Main concern will be strong winds up to 55 to 70 miles per hour. Also concerns for no hail, though. There won't be a big concern for tornadoes either over here as well. And then we do got marginal risk going into New York City and Bridgeport and Brookhaven, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility for today. And stay aware as some storms could develop today over here, or tonight. They could just go into tonight, but I think this evening, this afternoon, is when these storms could start developing over there. And then I also do want to talk about a lot of rain that's going on over here in Ohio. And you can see this. Look, this is a lot of rain. It's not moving as fast as we thought it was going to be moving. But look at how slow this thing is kind of moving. I mean, it's not moving like very slow, but it's still moving like it's pretty slow. I mean, it looks like it's moving slow because of how much rain there is, but see this big blob right here? It's going to be a lot of rain, especially coming towards northern Columbus. And then, pretty much everywhere in Ohio could have a chance to experience some rain today, especially if you're north of Columbus, or if you're in Bellefontaine or Hamilton and Cincinnati. Hamilton and Cincinnati could actually see a few strong wind gusts, but Bellefontaine and Dayton could see some flooding as the storm moves through. But it'll just be a really wet, mucky, humid day out there. It should be around the 70s too, as it'll be raining pretty much all day if you live north of Columbus. So let's look at our day 2 outlook for tomorrow, August 1st. So, yes, day 2 for tomorrow. As we do have a marginal risk from eastern Georgia, including Atlanta, Gainesville, and Augusta, into South Carolina, including Columbia, and then into southern North Carolina, includes Charlotte, Fayetteville, and Wilmington, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility tomorrow. Main concern will be strong winds with a low chance for tornadoes. and some like severe thunderstorms will have a possibility of producing winds up to 60 miles per hour. So over there, let's look at our second marginal risk for tomorrow, August 1st, as we have a marginal risk from in eastern Colorado through western Nebraska, through western South Dakota, and to eastern Wyoming, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility tomorrow. No tornado risk, but you do have a wind risk. 55 to 60 mile per hour winds will be possible, and some hail will also be possible up here. And the cities include Rapid City, Denver, and Colorado Springs for tomorrow. Let's look at day 3 outlook for August 2nd, 2025. As we do for August 2nd, we do have a marginal risk over here for August 2nd right now. Over here, where some severe weather will be a possibility. It'll just be scattered and stuff, but not a big concern for severe weather. We can talk about that more in another video. But yeah, that was our severe weather outlook for the next few days. I also do want to talk about the chances for tropical cyclone development. So that's just what we need to look at right now. As tropical cyclone formation could be a possibility within the Atlantic into the Gulf of Mexico in the next few days. As if you're in this red, so just be aware for that and watch that and stuff. So. Yeah, we also do have Tropical Storm Gil going, and Tropical Storm Iona still going. And some of these could even get close to Hawaii, including Tropical Storm Gil. Yeah, see, like, they have a wind advisory, so yeah, if you're in Hawaii, just expect to see some strong wind gusts. Thanks for watching. Stay weather aware. Turn on Don't Drive on encounter flooded roadways. Tsunami stuff is finally over. Take cover if you get tornado warning. Have a good day and stay weather aware. We'll be back with another update video. So, bye.